we here? Ten seconds in. I don't know if we're here or not, if the chat's working. Who the heck knows these days? Streamlabs is a little bit slow. But Tuesday afternoon, AMC bouncing back off that support line we had down there earlier. Who do we have in the chat right now? We got Carson, Joan de Jesus, Claude, Sam B, Carson, Claude, Daniel to the moon, and Carson again. Sam just waiting on Clay. Homie, lacking right. No, dude, I wasn't lagging or anything. It was really weird. Like, I clicked go live at 3, and then it was loading forever. So I don't know what the deal was, why it was taking so long to load. But we're here now, and that's all that matters. We hit 50. What? We didn't. What? Hit 50? Oh, 37 and 50. My bad. 37 50. Yeah, we didn't hit 50. I would love to hit 50 today. That would be great. I'm here. Chris is here as well. What's going on, Chris? Hey! He said Carson first, and Joan, I took the dub. Boom! Is that a good thing? I think it's a good thing. He's probably just having some animal poop on him with Nickelback pushing out some last-minute reps. He'll be here. Yes, I am here. He's here, guys. I am here. Clay, don't... What? I don't want any analysis. She doesn't want any analysis. Alicia. It's all right. Maybe later. Good afternoon, my buddy Clay, bro. What's going on, SD? How are you doing this afternoon? Hopefully it's going very well for you. Good afternoon, Clay and everybody. What's up, Mr. Anything Tech? Adam. Hi. Hello. Nini Waka. We got Nini Waka in the house. What's up, Nini? How you doing? Clay, bro, in the house, baby. Ahoo. 1111 Simon. Oh, yes. Good afternoon, Cassie. Good afternoon to you as well. Did you guys have a good lunch? We need to know. Did you have a good lunch? I didn't really eat lunch. I ate snacks for lunch today. I had tortilla chips, since we were talking about tortilla chips earlier. So I had chips and guac. How was lunch, Clay? Lunch was actually good, man. I wasn't that hungry, but I did have some chips and guac for lunch. Since we were talking about the tortilla chips earlier, it was making me hungry, so I had to get some. Pretty sure I was first, second, and third. Boom! Crypto Rocketeer coming in hot with the top 3 places. Alvin. Hello to you as well, man. I think inflation talks sent to markets bleeding today, but I do feel we should have a strong bounce back to let's go for. Yeah, we probably will have a strong bounce back, Stack. I think that a lot of the stuff that's going on with the whole debt ceiling, there's a lot of people talking out there right now, but as far as like it crashing the market or anything, I highly doubt we see anything like that. So I'm hoping for a bounce back tomorrow. First kitten went to new owners. 1 kitten equals 1,000. How much AMC can I buy, Clay? Dude, how are you selling kittens for $1,000? Kittens are going for $1,000 a share these days. We need some kittens. We need AMC to reach kitten prices. I had Cheetos, mac and cheese, and added some salsa to it. Very nice. I have never put salsa in my mac and cheese. Alicia, how many shares of AMC do you want to buy? You want to buy, what, 10 shares? 20 shares? 30 shares? How many shares of AMC do you want? Nobody knows. What's up, y'all? What's going on, Victor? Bought more. I love it. Low. Saw that already. Don't worry, chaps. Strong hands always win in the long run. Yes, they do, Arson. That's why we have strong hands, aka diamond hands here. Skinny boy gonna be in an orange jumpsuit soon. Don't we kind of hope that Kenny Boy is going to be in an orange jumpsuit. Listen, I highly doubt he is. If I'm being honest with all you guys, I highly doubt that he ends up in an orange jumpsuit. I highly doubt he ends up with anything more than a fine. Hey, Claymaster, what's up, Kent? How are you doing? I had a, tortang tolong for lunch. Joan de Jesus, what on earth is this? I bought more too. Nice, Nikki. 300 out of 2,500. 300 out of 2,500. 300 to 2,500 for a kitten? Is that what we're talking about here? I don't even know what we're talking about, 300 out of 2,500. But if you're getting 300 to 2,500 for a kitten, man, I need to get in the kitten game. I had some absolutely delicious General Tso's chicken. Very nice, Stack Apes. I don't think he'll wear orange. Perhaps a baby slap, but that's about it. Is that a thing? That sounds like something Nick's race today. No, Nick, not all of them. I still have plenty to share with you, man. I just ate some of them. Filipino eggplant omelet. Dang, man, you guys know all of this food that I've never even heard of. It's crazy. Yeah, that's expensive for a kitten. Seems like it, but they seem like very nice kittens. I don't know. You're not getting in the cat game, Clay. I've seen you after a night with a cat. It's true, man. It's true. I probably shouldn't get in the cat game, but dude, for like 2,500 for a kitten, I might get in the cat game. I can risk the allergies. Okay, before Nick F yells at me. Before Nick F yells at me, guys, let's put it on silent. Silent. That's what we got here. Hold on. Hold on. Nick F, don't yell. Silence the phone. Yeah. We got it. Okay. Tighten that bad boy back up. Let's see where we're at here. And we are here. Main screen. We're back. Good deal, guys. We're back. And Nick F didn't. He kind of did yell at us, though. It's all right. I'm going to sell 100 shares of AMC to buy a cat and breed it. I'm going to have a cat squeeze. Might be worth it, man. Might be worth it to buy a cat and start breeding these cats. I need to try these food combos. Dude, read. Me too, man. Me too. Quick today. I know. I heard it because I wasn't talking, and then I'm like, crap, Nick F's going to get me, so I better get this. Better nip this in the bud, right? A burrito egg, ground turkey, and barbecue sauce I cooked. Dude, that burrito sounds delicious, man. It's the thing, the first time I heard the expression pee-pee slap was in a very serious situation when I was in the military, and I lost it laughing so hard, got myself in a lot of trouble. Dude, the funny thing is, though, the funny thing is, I guarantee Sam's not joking around about that. I can full on see Sam just cracking up in a very serious situation like that. So, dude, Sam, I believe you, man. PB Slap's a real thing. Who loves kittens? I don't really love kittens, but it's just that because I'm so allergic to them that I can't allow myself to get attached like that. I'm back. Fear Jesus, I'm glad you're back. Will the smaller hedge funds start to cover first? Nikki89. The thought process behind smaller hedge funds covering first is that they have less capital available, and therefore the losses will be more significant to them when it comes to AMC. So they will either be margin called first or will be willing to cover first. It's not guaranteed, but that's the thought process behind why they would. What does BB Slap, Sam? I hope it sounds like exactly what it sounds like it is. I'm surprised you don't just put it on silent before every straight. Yeah, I don't think of it, though. It's like all your viewers saying that they didn't get a notification. Same time, every... It is true, though. I honestly, like, most of the time I will remember, but... Actually, some of the times I will remember, but most of the times I will not remember. We're going back above 38 right now. Let's see what AMC's got going on. Back above 38. Okay. Okay, for the first time since this morning. Man, look at this. Could you imagine, like, if you were just day trading AMC today? Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. What are you going to do here? Anybody know what they're probably going to do here based on this line that we have? Well, let's see. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. What are they going to try and do here? If you can see that. I don't know if you can see it. What are they going to try and do here? Yeah. Unfortunately, they're probably going to try and sell. But we'll find out. Shall we? Just set up D&D for 11-1 and 3 to... Do not disturb. I was like, this dude's playing Dungeons and Dragons every day while I'm live? Like, what is going on here? What is this? It's kind of the same thing as a slap on the wrist, I suppose. It's just like getting hits kind of fast or doing something bad, but it's quick and over. Oh, no. I don't like it, man. I even have a repeat of buyers. Alicia! When I have a little teacup white kittens, I have a fat wallet. 1,800 to 2,500. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, so I need to get little teacup white kittens. Is that like a thing? Is it like a brand of a kitten? Do kittens have brands? Is that a brand kitten? Like a little white teacup kitten? I think that might be what it is. Did you get a few for laughing at? Yeah, Sam, did you get a few PB slaps for laughing at it, man? You should put up MAT today, and me and your dad would be proud. Yes, I'm sure he would. What was MAT at earlier? Like 620? I don't know. Last time I looked, it was up about 1.5% to 2%. It was falling back down a little bit after rising today. Bit of volatile day all around. But it was like one of the 3 stocks in my watch list that's green today. I mean, I got chewed out quite a bit, but it was my first time or last time getting chewed out. At least I didn't get a real BB slap, you know? Yeah, dude, that would be bad. That would be really bad. AMC and AQST till the end. Let's get it, Eric. If I was a day trader, I probably would have bought at the top and sold at the dip. That's how strong my day trading acumen is. Joan de Jesus, here's the really funny thing, man. The majority of day traders are probably doing exactly what you said right there. So please, it's nice to look back like I just did and say, oh, look, this is what we should all be doing. Buy, sell, buy, sell. 5 times a day, you make $1. You made $5 per share today, day trading AMC. But here's the deal, man. You go to buy it. You go to buy it right here, or you go to sell it right here. Guess what's going to happen? Go to sell it right here. Guess what? This is going to be the time. We all go to sell, and boom, breaks through, runs up to $44 per share. We go to buy it right here. Boom. What's it going to do on us? Drop down to 33 a share. You guys didn't see that. And boom. We go to buy it right here. What's it going to do? What's it going to do? Drop down to $35 a share. So it's just like, yeah, man. It's nice looking back at it to see the pattern that it was forming and the channel that it was in, but it doesn't always play out like that. How I was going to erase my 3.5% loss today. Let's go. Let's get it, Stacks. I want to see you erase that. Teacup White Munchkins. Munchkins are the breed. All right, dude. I gotta step up my kitten game. Teacup White Munchkins. $1,800 to $2,500 per little kitten. My gosh, dude. What do they do? Do they like bark instead of meow? Or what's the deal? I think Alicia's kitten might bark instead of meow. That's the difference. That's why she's fetching $1,800 to $2,500. All day traders deserve BB slaps. All day traders, yes. Prove me wrong, okay? Change my mind. All day traders deserve PB slaps right there. Coming out of Sam's mouth, but I'm telling you right now, I agree with the sentiment and change my mind on that one. Hi all, hey Clay. Lisa is back. Oh my goodness, Lisa. So glad to have you in here. I'm still here, bro. David, good. Holding strong with my 8 fam. Just stopping in to show some more Cali love. Boom, David. Thank you very much for being in here, man. And I like this showing love part. Very good, guys. Fact, a coworker of mine told me I was dumb for holding AMC and that he day trades and makes 10% a day. That was 5 months ago. Today, I asked his account balance, and it was half that it was. He's got a very interesting... Oh, he must have withdrawn all his profits. Maybe he did that, Sam. He just withdrew all of his profits, and that's why it's half the value that it was before. He was having some very nice days when he was day trading, making 10% a day, right? Everybody that day trades can make 10% a day for 2 days in a row. Then it becomes a little bit more default. Adopt, don't shop. Unless you're buying kittens from Alicia. Then you should support Lisa's wallet. But yeah, no, guys, I'm on board with adopting pets as well. But I also don't have a problem with people buying pets. Sam B, but he makes 10% every day. He doesn't lose 25%. That's what he doesn't tell you. He makes 10% every day that he doesn't lose 25%. Nick is right on that one. Munchkin cats are disabled. They're like midgets in cat form. They're small limbs and always look kind of like babies, so you're paying more for genetic problems. Dude, if this is true, I don't know. This just sounds really... I'm not in the cat game. I wouldn't know. Shout out from the Maldives Islands. You were not there. No, come on, Simon. You're sitting in your house in California. I know it. It's like gamblers. They'll tell you about their winnings, but not about their losses. I lost a ton day trading. Mike Harris, Highlander attack. Yeah, day trading. Listen, guys, day trading is a rough place to be in. Nick F, he said he's still making 10%. I guess he just forgot to tell me how much he had before, because I wrote that down, man. I got his number. I ain't sick. Or he ain't slick. I do my DD on scumbags. He's calling his coworker a scumbag, man. You wrote that number down. He knows you watching him. He knows you watching him. Samuel Clay, bro, what's the rundown on today? This guy's overall market taking a beautiful beating today. Very few stocks are in the green. And hopefully we're bouncing off and we get a nice little power hour run. David! He's got them diamond heart hands. 100, baby. Oh, yes. David, thank you very much, man, for the super chat. I appreciate that. And everybody loves diamond 100s. I mean, handy 100s. We love handy 100s, don't we? I think. Do we love handy 100s, guys? Maybe. Did you guys get a notification? Because if not, I'm going to try and send this out to Twitter right now, because I'm not sure if people got notifications. 15 minutes in, 86 in here. I feel like we maybe didn't get a notification. So let's hit up Twitter. If it ever loads. Well, that's loading. Let's take a drink of coffee. Does anyone else spend their entire day drinking a cup of coffee? I mean, I was just leaving this on the table here, so it's still like 4 hours that it takes me to drink it. But does anybody else take an entire day to drink it? Nick F did get a notification. We have a stray mini cat. It's half the size of its siblings. Dang, dude. I like little animals. It sounds really cute. Cassie, maybe that's what my sister's kitty is. It's a really tiny, never grew, and can't walk, but it arrived at her door, and she took it, and it wears diapers. She's a great kitty mommy. Dang, dude. These little animals wearing diapers. I knew I should have put a diaper on Chip, bro, and then he was stuck around. Clay, just because he works with me doesn't mean he isn't a scumbag. Us both having the same job we hate don't make us bros. He isn't even subscribed to you. Come on! Alright, well, he's a scumbag then. So, I don't know him anything. That's true, man. That's true. If he ain't subscribed, dude, you don't know him anything. Dude, he's a scumbag. You can tell him I said that, too. Come on, man. Just in case YouTube didn't send you a notification. There. Tweet that out. Alright. I like it. Tweeted. Boom! Yes, notification popped up in the middle of my spreadsheet. That's what I'm talking about. It's the best kind of notification you can get. Work interrupting notification. Draw the line, bro. I like it. Let's do it. Let's get a line on here. Hold on. Where we at? Ooh, this is going to be a good one. You know who's going to like this one? Johan and Pringleton. You know why? That bad boy is steep. Big and purple. What do you mean? I just made it big? And purple. Yes. We're going to go into the close. So we got our line there, guys. Into the close. We're closing about 38.20 today. Good deal, man. All right, I like that line right there. Let's follow that bad boy into the close. I got the notification. I like it, Lisa. I knew you were here for a reason. I just looked at my phone, and for the first time today, can someone tell me in a nutshell what the heck happened today? Yeah, Britt. In a nutshell, okay, the overall market is taking a brutal beating. NASDAQ was down almost 3% a little bit earlier. I don't know what it's down right now. More overall market's taking a brutal beating, and most likely because of all the back and forth going on, like within Congress and the debt ceiling and so on. So that's most likely what's causing the downfall today, but it's an overall market pullback. It's not just associated with AMC. I get notifications now. Even during the stream, I had to re-click the bell a few times, and now I get stuff for every channel I follow. Perfect, dude. Perfect. So re-click the bell, guys. If you don't get notifications, re-click the bell a couple times. Got a notification for a live from Sunday earlier today. That's weird because the same exact thing happens to me with Oil Tipped or Vigilante streams. It'll be like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'll get a notification for a stream that happened last night. And I'm like, why do you even care to show me this right now? This live happened like 15 hours ago. Clay, when drawing trend lines, do you include the wicks? It's completely up to you and what you like, Joan De Jesus, man. And it all depends. If you want to be a little bit more, I would say, conservative and a little tighter, don't include the wicks. If you want to give yourself a little bit more wiggle room, then you can include the wicks. I mean, technically, if you wanted, you could come in here like this, and you can see that I didn't really include the wicks on this one, because this would have been a wick down here, and I could have moved this whole line down a little bit. So you could come in from the wicks, man, and include the wicks and do almost like a secondary trend line too, to give yourself like a little bit of a shadow drop here to see, okay, if it breaks through like it did, maybe it's going to come down and touch this line too. If you need like an extra line in the sand, then you could do that. But it just all depends on how tight and how conservative you want to be with the trend lines you're drawing. And like you see, guys, like you see, this was a nice trend line, but look what we did right here. Look what we did. We touched that stupid line that all these day traders buy, sell, buy. What are they going to do here? And what did they do? Sell. Yeah. So thank you to everybody who's following this channel today. I appreciate the fact that you are not holding AMC, but instead you're deciding to sell AMC. Good job, guys. When did we get back in the 30s? I haven't looked at the price for 2 weeks. Lisa, how were you not looking at the price in the last 2 weeks? You were here like last week, weren't you? We talked about the price last week. Let's see. We've been trending downwards for the last couple of weeks, and I would say we entered the 30s. Dang, probably on this day right here. September 20th. So, eight days ago. A week ago. Not yesterday, but a week ago Monday. Would have been when we entered the 30s. No red, still red. No red is still red, bro. No red is still red, bro. What? You guys speak in riddles, man, and I don't get it. No hat, I smell a fat margin call coming. Daddy Duke, man, I hope that you are not hatting over there, and we do get a fat margin call. Red is red. Yes, red is red, for sure. I despise day traders so much. Skype does not like day traders. Day traders are okay, but just not on AMC. Like, don't be an AMC if you're day trading. Please, day traders, get out. We don't need you here. We don't need you. I wasn't paying attention. I still have vacay brain and catching up on work. Dang, man. Isn't it goofy how you have to catch up on work after you leave? Like, what kind of a vacation is that? That you have to catch up after you leave. Not even vacation. Lisa, if Americans default, what does that actually mean? Also, if we default, would you be willing to give George Washington a loan still? Excellent question, man. That one's directed directly at Lisa. Lisa, help Sam B out here, man. Sam Bro, that's what the B stands for. Sam Bro. I am talking to people in chat. Skype, good deal, man. As you should be. Your brain is too smooth. Daddy Duke, man. The smoother, the better. The more wrinkled, the better. Nobody knows. The first time I tried to day trade, I bought the top and ended up being a long hold investor. Nice. He started a day trade, but turned out to be an investor. The memories of AMC last January 27th. Yes, Dave. Yes. January 27th, we were supposed to be squeezing, and here we are, September 28th, and we are still here holding AMC. All right, Clay, if Adam Aron sold his shares this year as planned, is the squeeze still on if hedge funds bought all of them in the dark pool? Yes, because I don't know how many shares Adam Aron has, but it's not enough to cover their short interest. Question. Owned AMC on Robinhood, but transferred everything to Webull. My average price per share went up. Why? Mario, did you buy any more shares after you transferred them to Webull? Okay, that's the first question. Second question would be, maybe they're using a cost basis for whatever AMC was the day that you transferred. Your actual tax cost basis is going to be whatever they were when you bought them on Robinhood, though. So you may have to manually adjust that if that's the case. But I don't know if you bought more since then, or if they just used the cost basis from the day that you transferred, or what exactly they're looking at. If they default on their mortgage, and good luck getting a loan after you default on one. He's actually talking about America defaulting with the debt ceiling that they're going to be in gridlock or deadlock here within a minute, and they're not going to be raising the debt ceiling, and they're going to be fighting and closing down government and all that stuff. So I guarantee Lisa would still give Uncle Sam a loan. She would, man. He's got a good credit rating, even though he's about to default. And every time he has to pay his... Okay, so Lisa, there's another example for you. If I'm about to default on my mortgage and I just take out a second mortgage to pay my first one, is that good or bad? Because that's essentially the problem that America faces every few months when they have to raise the debt ceiling and borrow more. Thanks a lot, bro. Absolutely, Mario. You're the man, dude. You're the man. What is the current short interest? 106 million shares. 106.65 million shares, I believe it was, with the Ortex update a little bit earlier. Above 20%, 106.65 million shares. Lisa, I think so. I'm no expert, but I believe America's roof is leaking and we need to repair the ceiling. But the adults are like, nah, fam, we don't need a new roof, so now we can't pay our mortgage. Yeah, that's pretty much exactly what's going on. And I like how they said, nah, fam, we don't need no new roof. Dude ain't hatting in here, man. Ain't no buddy hatting in here. Hi, Clay. I'm going to use my home equity line of credit loan and put it all into AMC. Neil P. Good luck to you, my friend. I hope it works out. And if it doesn't, Lisa is standing by, ready and willing to give you a loan for another house. Clay isn't getting a loan to pay a loan. Basically, what happened to cost 2008. Yeah, Sam, but that's also basically what happens every time the government pays their loans down, man. Every time they say, oh no, we ran out of money, give us more, let us borrow more money, they pay it with another loan. So it's like, it's a win-win for them, but it's a lose-lose for everybody else that tries to do it. Repair the roof before the ceiling. Nick F. Good advice, man. Good advice. Because then it might continue to leak down on the new ceiling. I like the way this guy thinks, man. He's on top of it. So that's that. Listen, I pretty much think we can end the live stream here. That's the best advice you guys are going to get on the day. Always repair the roof before the ceiling. Man, excellent. Dang, dude, I wish I was as insightful as some of you guys. It's amazing. So America is like the issue of 2008, or wasn't happening in 2008, is because you guys did, and you're not good at it. Yes. Issue of 2008 wasn't what happened in 2008. It's because you guys did it and you're not good at it. That's exactly right, man. And if they were good at it, they would just continue to borrow more and more. Well, you wouldn't take out a second to pay off your first unless it's a balloon or due in full. And at that point, it's going to be private money and pay out the... Yeah, no, I understand that. But it wouldn't even be to pay it in full. It would be because I can't afford the, I don't know, $1,200 mortgage payment that I have. I don't have $1,200. I don't have it. So I need to borrow another trillion so I can get that $1,200 and pay my mortgage payment on that one. So that's why I would have to take out another loan. But Lisa, I need it to come from you, not a secondary source. It still has to come from you. That's what's going on with America right now, okay? I can't pay my $1,200 mortgage, so would you please give me another mortgage on the same house so that I can pay you the $1,200. Loan me another $1 million so I can pay you $1,200 right now, please. I wasn't even born in 2008. Carson. Good deal, man. Carson is very young, guys. Remember, Carson is very young, not even born in 2008. During the squeeze, would you be able to know what's going on or have no idea, like when it will be close to end, etc., or if it's strong and just the beginning? Eligio. So nobody's going to know for a fact what is happening. The best we're going to know is what could be happening. And we're going to look at things like the short interest that's out there, the volume that's out there, the rate at which the price is moving, and so on. But nobody, even if we do look at all of those things, man, nothing's guaranteed. Like, nothing's to say that, okay, at this point, yes, the shorts have covered just because short interest is estimated to be a little lower than it was before. It's going to be all speculation, and that's one of the reasons AMC is a risky play, is because everything is speculative, but with greater risk comes greater reward. Then you won't qualify for a second, and therefore neither should the good old US of A qualify for a second if they cannot afford their current debt obligations. Clay, you're a glass half empty or a glass half full kind of guy. Dude, I'm a glass half full kind of guy. I guess it doesn't matter when you're dehydrated. No, it doesn't matter when you're dehydrated, Chris, but I would say half full. Is it true that Brett isn't returning? Anyone know if he's okay? I hope that's not true, man. Brett better be returning. Anticipated 45% correction. Hold the line. A normal market sector rotation in energy fund stocks is what the market has been experiencing. Stay calm, cool, and collected. Payday is coming. CM, I love it, man. Legitimately wondering, I was a pre-market crash, baby. Gosh, that's just ridiculous. This dude is so young. Legitimately wondering, if you weren't born in 2008, is it even legal for you to trade? Asking for a friend, and I am not an FBI agent. Shoot, man. I don't even know. I guess you can. Your parents might have to open a brokerage account for you, but I think it might be legal. I guess if you have a social security number and a bank account, yeah, I think they'll approve you. Can always say, oh man, dude, I'm gonna have to DM him then. This dude better be coming back. I don't know what's going on with all this nonsense. Clay, where did the Broto go? The Broto is actually, it's on the Ottoman right now. It's on the Ottoman. CMP, or you can change his mind for him. I would go with that one. I would say change his mind for, man. Probably a custodian account. Yeah, you could definitely trade if you got like, I don't know if your parents have to open one for you. I don't know. They might have to, but I don't know the rules, especially, all the different brokers that are out there and all the different countries' rules and stuff like that. But I don't know the rules if you have to be over 18. But I'm sure you can have a brokerage account if you're under 18. I feel like I should go message Brett now. Does anybody else feel the same way? Like, we just need Brett? Because technically I have Twitter open on my computer. I should probably do it. I don't know if I will, though. Should I? I don't know. Maybe I will. How do you keep your skin so clear? I don't know, dude. It's not like drastically clear. I mean, it probably has a lot to do with the camera and then the ring light. Anybody with a ring light on their face is going to look a little bit better than somebody without a ring light on their face. But, dude, like, no skin routine whatsoever, man. I promise on that one. Clear, bro. Too much nonsense. They got blown out of proportion. With what? With debt or with Brett? What is the lowest price you think we will go to in the short term? Luca Tony! Short term, lowest price that we could go to, I think 28, 29 will be the lowest price that we could possibly see in the short term. Now, below that, we've got some strong support below that. But, dude, that's only if we break down through this level that we're at right now, and I highly doubt that we just easily break through this line that we're at right now. Clay Bro, JT Wisco, what's going on, man? Is the pending stock market crash a good thing or a bad thing for potential AMC squeeze? I don't know if I like the way you worded pending stock market crash, like it's just waiting to happen. But if the stock market crashes, people are going to argue both sides, man. They're going to say that hedge funds have less money, therefore they're more likely to get margin called on AMC, and it's going to go higher. The counter argument to that is not everybody is an ape that's in AMC. There are still day traders and momentum traders in there. So if everything starts to pull back, they're also going to pull out and drive AMC lower. So I don't know, man. Those are the two arguments for which one would happen during that. His skin's clear because he stays hydrated. I do stay hydrated, actually. Do you use banana cream on your skin? I do not, Boat Balm. Should I? Clay, I'm pretty sure his Twitter is actually taken down, and now I can't find it, but I can message him. I texted him because he gave me his number, but unfortunately, he ghosted me just like MK did to you. Ghosted, dude. Ghosted. I don't even know what's going on with this. How do you lose, like, a best friend, man? I was in here for months. It's inevitable, Clay. Okay, market pullback is inevitable at some time. Market crash, I don't know if a crash is inevitable, but we will have a pullback at some point. I just don't like people calling pullback every time we hit new highs. With Brett, but the debt is beyond help. Gotcha. Both, maybe Brett and the debt are beyond help. Brett, come on, man. Come back in here. We need you. Hey guys, I heard y'all missed me. Synthetic Brett, yes. What's up, everybody? Clay, what happened to my wrench? Oh, Synthetic Brett, man. I need you back, man. I will give you your wrench back as long as you stay in here for more than just a little bit of time. But now I notice that we no longer see Sam B or Synthetic Brett in the same place at the same time. Interesting. Look at that drop. Steroid drop. It's not really dropping too much, man. We're just channeling right now, unfortunately. This is the nonsense we've been working with all day. Like, look at this channel right here, man. This is the nonsense we've been given all day. Boom, 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 boom. And unfortunately, we might see it drop back down to this 37.20 level, 37.20s. I don't want to see it happen, but it's looking like that might be what we get today. Most disgusting. I know. I don't like it either. It's all right, though. How's AMC finishing the day out with 35 million volume? We're here at 15 in the first 30 minutes. Yeah, we did have, I don't know what we had in the first 15 minutes of the day, but I do remember seeing like 24, 25 million volume a little bit after I got on at 11 o'clock, so. Where the F is Sam B? We need Sam B! Where's Sam B at? Ken Griffin just told the synthetic truth. Yeah, he didn't lie, guys. He just told the synthetic truth. Synthetic Brett, I've also never seen you and Nickelback in the same place. What's up with that, bro Sidon? What's happening on the ocean? You secretly Nickelback, huh? Shoot, dude. Look at this photograph. Every time I do, it makes me laugh. Might be Nickelback. Look at Tony! What is this one, man? Is this... Okay, I like this one. I like this one. Look at Tony. This one's for you, man. Thank you very much, Look at Tony, for the... I like it. Thank you very much, Look at Tony, for the super chat. I appreciate that, man. That was actually a fun one. I've never seen that one before. That was good. This low volume is good for us as it's increasing their risk, right? Iran, yes. So it's increasing it has to go lower before it becomes an actual risk. Anything over 8 days to cover is considered risky for the short positions. And it's like 30 million shares, they're at 3 days to cover. So we would want to see anywhere between around 10 million shares being traded per day before it's like a real risk for the hedge funds. Anything below that, dude, it's like icing on the cake, man. There's Brett. Yes, Brett. There's another one. That's not the real one, though. We got so many Bretts. So many fake Bretts in the house. Oh, no. Crypto Rocketeer. Dabbing on them like always. Clay, I'm back, love. Yeah. We know. Synthetic Brett calling out Brett. It's just getting crazy. Lisa. Yep. I'm the real Brett, Texas. Yes, he is. Synthetic Brett looks like someone else I used to know. Doesn't he? Very similar photos there. What is going on? Clay, will you be investing in the next plays after? Yeah. Gato, for sure, man. For sure. I'm not one of these dudes that's out there like, the market is so corrupt after AMC is done and over with, I'm out. That's not me. I'm not getting out. Remember, you bet? No, that's, guys, there's no way. That's Brett. Crypto Rocketeer's dabbing on people? Yes, Crypto Rocketeer is always dabbing on people, man. Always dabbing on them. Clay, bro, Brett, Texas is here. Notice the wrench. Ah, yes, the wrench is what did it there. That's what it was. It was the wrench. Not the picture, not the dab. The wrench is what convinced everybody that Brett was here. Nice, me too. Gato, good deal, man. And I'm glad because there's a lot of people out there that say they're just completely done with the market after AMC, and I don't like seeing that. Easy money. I mean, I don't know. It's not easy money if you're out there day trading and taking a ton of risk. But, yeah, man, you know, there's so much money to be made in the stock market that it's beautiful. If you're the real Brett, what's the mozzarella recipe, huh? Let us know what the mozzarella recipe is. Dabbing, baby. Oh, my gosh. That is a Crypto Rocketeer for you right there. Fake apes are running out scared. Iza Ahmed Abu. But we are still here, man. We are still here. We are hanging out, and we are not going anywhere. I've never seen Sam B, Crypto Rocketeer, Brett, Texas, and Synthetic Brett, Texas in the same place. Interesting. I have also not seen these group of people in the same place, Nick F. I said the same, but invested in ILUS. Said the same what? That you're not getting in anything else? Post AMC, Greg? Is that what it was? Clay, serious question. Good deal. Asked yesterday, are those institutions options that were all 200,000 that expire before the first, are they still out there? Don't know how to correctly ask. Chris, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what you are asking. So the options that expire on October 1st, are they still out there? Is that what you're saying? If there's 200,000 options that were bought before October 1st, then yeah, they would still be out there. What was the strike on those? They wouldn't have got exercised if they're below the strike price currently. How many day traders does it take to drop was 5 times to 37.90s? All of them, man. All of them. Here's the funny thing, man. You know, it's like we sit here and we surround ourselves with everybody who's diamond hand holding AMC and not selling it for a short squeeze. But there's 150 of us in here. There's 12,000 people that constantly hang out with Mac Horse, and I can guarantee you that not all of those guys have AMC in their portfolios. And there's a few that hang out with Astro, some of them that hang out with Keenan. And I recently heard that Review Dork might be starting to do live streams. And then you got like 1,100 that hang out with TMI, another 800 that hang out with Short the VIX. So even if you add all of them together, we got 15,000 people that are holding AMC and watching for a short squeeze on a daily basis, knowing that every single one of them, and you guys aren't even repeating and being over in the other channels, that every single one of them is diamond handing AMC. It's still 15,000 out of 4 million. There's a lot of people who don't care at all about a short squeeze. Congrats on the wrench, Sam B. Yes, Sam B. Congrats on the wrench, man. Nice. Kors is a cool dude. Yeah, I like Kors, man. There's nothing wrong with Matt Kors in moderation. Okay, I don't watch the guy all day long, but I do think that he's got a pretty good head on his shoulders. I meant, weren't those options saying AMC will go above 45 before October 1st? What's going on with those? Okay, those. Yeah, I don't know how many options are currently being bought at different price levels. So those, if they're still out there, yes, they would still be out there, man. I don't know the quantity of them. And if they don't expire until October 1st, they will stay out there until October 1st, and they will either expire in the money or out of the money. If AMC closes below $45, they expire worthless, okay? And whatever those people paid for those options, they do not get back. If it expires over 45, they make money on the share. They can exercise those and make a profit. There's definitely uncertainty and anxiousness that we all feel, but there are too many signs to point to a squeeze. Patience is key. Everyone, patience. Ross, absolutely, man. Everything, in my opinion, points to a short squeeze. Thanks for everything, and for us apes, for keep apes young. Absolutely, man. Thank you for being in here. Seems like I walked into a doppelganger situation. DD214. It seems like you did, man, because I don't know what's going on here, but we got so many of the same people. It's crazy. Does the wrench signify you are a plumber? Yes, the wrench signifies that you are a plumber, like Mario or Luigi. Claybro, what is the possibility that the squeeze does not squeeze? Darren, if asking for like actual probabilities, like I don't know, 1 in 10 or 9 in 10 or whatever, I have no idea. I can't give you those. But the possibilities of it not squeezing, it is possible, but what do you have to see happen for it to not squeeze? Apes give up. Okay, then it would not squeeze. Clearly, it would not squeeze. So ask yourself, will the apes give up or not? Another thing you can ask, will the hedge funds willingly cover at a very low rate? If you think that they will willingly cover at a slow pace, then the squeeze may not happen. Because remember, the squeeze all depends on the increased demand from shorts being covered, driving the price higher. So if they do that, if AMC goes bankrupt, clearly AMC is not going to squeeze because the price is going to go to zero. So that would cause it not to squeeze. So you got to ask yourself, what's the probability of AMC going bankrupt? All of these different things, man, you can't put like a number on it. It's just a guess at that point, and it's not even worth guessing. Rat is the best we could do. A boat bomb. We got a little mouse. What do we get here? What do you guys got with the mouses? I don't know, but I like mice. I went to the gym yesterday and forgot pants. I guess I'm throwing another 5,000 into AMC. Carson, I don't know how those two things string together, but that sounds like something very cool, man. Glad you're going to throw another $5,000 into AMC since you forgot pants at the gym yesterday. Loaded up on some more bananas today. Nice, Jeffrey. Finally get me over 300. Very good. Thanks for the dip and opportunity to grab some more at a discount. Bang, bang, baby. Good deal, Jeffrey. Are you going to do a live after squeeze with some other stocks that apes can? Yeah, absolutely, Young. I have no intentions of stopping streaming or stopping YouTube videos or just like, stopping having fun just because the squeeze took place. 0% it's squeezing tomorrow. Yeah, Carson, a lot of people would tell you it's a 100% chance that it's squeezing tomorrow. Remember, Astro guaranteed that it's squeezing this week, and that we are likely to see prices at around $250 per share this week because of his cycle theory and where the next leg up or run up or whatever he calls it is going to. So, hey man, it's got a couple days left. Government shutdown caused margin calls. Brit, I don't think a government shutdown would cause margin calls. A government shutdown might cause the market to fall back a little bit, and if institutions and hedge funds lose a lot of money because of a market pullback, then we could see margin calls based on that. But they wouldn't be margin calling strictly based on the fact that the government would be shutting down. How do you manage to juggle between your job, girlfriend, gym, and being a beloved YouTuber? Juggling 3 things is very easy. Juggling 4 things is much more difficult. I don't have 3 things that I can juggle, but I can juggle, man. I can juggle. I know for a fact Sam B would never earn a wrench. Imposter. Sam B would never. Dude, Sam B's clearly going to earn a wrench if we lose out on everybody that hangs out with us. Where is everybody, man? I only watch you and Astro. Well, Neil P, then you know, man. Then you know that he was calling, especially if you follow him on Twitter, right? I don't watch that many of his YouTube videos or his live streams because, man, that dude just uses some filthy language sometimes. But, yeah, he... And confirm or deny, man, but based on his tweets, he did say that we are squeezing this week, guaranteed. AMC squeeze tomorrow, and here's why. Post a 10-minute video of everything else but the squeeze. Dude, I don't even know how people do that or how that's possible to do. Like, I feel like I would just be so jaded if I made a video and said AMC is going to squeeze tomorrow, but I didn't mention in the video why AMC was going to squeeze tomorrow. Clay, look at your Twitter. Hold on. I gotta see this. Yeah, he did. He did, man. Listen, I hope it does squeeze to $250 this week, right? I would love it to run up. But I don't think that, especially for newer people, like if he's bringing new people on board, and they're like, yeah, it's going to 250 this week. This guy says it's going to 250, let's get in. And then it doesn't. It might just get right back out. That's not good. What am I looking at on here? Messages? Or notifications? What am I looking at on my Twitter? I just looked at Twitter and I didn't see anything. I'm back. The real Sam B is back. Nice, man. Squeeze will take days with circuit breakers in the market. Gary D, it's very possible that it takes days, man. Very possible. I hope it takes weeks, but at the same time, if we get 1 billion shares being traded on squeeze day, might happen in 1 day. These red days suck so bad. Yes, they do. We need some trend reversal as soon as possible. Josh, I would agree with you, man. This thing needs to squeeze soon. I'm sure new investors are getting tired of waiting, and then they will sell off due to taking too long. Then us apes will have to buy even more. Possible, man. Possible. So if the new investors sell, I do want it to be in the hands of the apes. If it, like, I would rather see the people currently holding just convert over to ape status and just say, okay, look, and I'll be honest with you guys. If everybody that holds AMC right now said to each other, okay, I'll make a commitment. I will hold this stock for 2 weeks. I will not sell it. If every single person holding AMC said they will not sell it for 2 weeks, I guarantee you we start to see the squeeze. I guarantee that it would be absolutely ridiculous. Be patient, family, and we will make the win that much sweeter. Yes, it will. Jeffrey, we're going to do it, man. Oh, no, webcam chat. Hot boys and girls, what are you doing? This is ridiculous. So I'm actually getting slightly concerned. What do we need to do in here? Let's tag crypto in it also. P.S. What's up, web chat? What's up, web chat? How you doing, man? The webcams are back. Yes, they are. Webcam chat, I'm telling you right now, get a green name and we won't block your stuff anymore. So that's simple. AMC did fall a little bit, sitting at 37. And look, remember? I was going to buy it right here on the bottom of this channel. That's me day trading. I was going to buy it when we hit the bottom of this channel right here. Since 15 times today, we bounced through this channel. Boom, buy, sell, buy, sell. I was buying it here, remember? This is me day trading today. I buy it, and what's it do? Breaks right through. Breaks right through. That's what day trading gets you, guys. It's not guaranteed, so please do not rely on it 100%. So that 2 weeks, starting now or Monday. In 2 weeks, I've been here since February. No. I know, not you guys, not you guys. If every single person held it for 2 weeks, you could start it on Monday. I don't care. Like 9 days, 9 trading days. That's fine with me too. But if everybody did that, man, I'm telling you, it would be ridiculous. Salute to you. You are humble. Better than that, Matt Coors, who just stated that he can call people names because it's his channel. Well, listen, Prize Killer, PRZ Killer. I can call you PRZ Killer because that's your name in here. But listen, yeah, man, we're all here having fun together. I mean, technically, I can call you Crypto Rocketeer, Crypto Rocketeur, like whatever. But like, don't get offended if I call you something. I'll be honest. I tagged a different clay bro in it, so I just DM'd you. This is awkward, man. The amount of synthetic people from this group is getting wild. I was wondering why I didn't see anything. Oh gosh, darn! I am dripping. Right, what is happening, Levin and Simon? Oh, I don't even know. Levin and Simon. Oh, there you go, Levin and Simon. That's who it was. No, AMC Trapper. There's a different Simon, man. It's Crypto Rocketeer messing with everybody. CI is looking beautiful, baby. CEI to $10. Just bought in it. Oh my gosh. Antics killing it. Bought in CEI at $1. It was trading at like $2.99 when I saw it earlier. What's it at right now? Q4 2022. Hey, Clay, remember when we had to hold for nearly 2 years but ended with a 22,000% return? Man, waiting 2 years for 22,000% return was worth it. Relax, people. I'm telling you guys. Even if we are waiting for 2 years and we all become AMC millionaires after the 2 years, we're all going to be very happy with it. I can guarantee you're going to be happy with over $1 million if you have to wait 2 years, 1 year, 2 months, 5 years to get it. You're still going to be happy. Clay Bro with the Clay MC information. Yes, Calvin, as always. Crypto Rocketeers got him. 11 of them, Simon. Two of them in the row right there. Back to back, man. What a nightmare. Left wing wacko. Pullbacks are nightmares, aren't they, man? AMC red and woman red is only Dimitri. Yes. All red things are temporary, man. Even stoplights, they're temporary as well. CI is at 330. Oh my gosh, dude. Another 10% since I saw it earlier. About to break out again. Antics killing it. Antics, where are you taking your profit, man? You staying all the way until $10 or are you getting out earlier? Now I got to try to add 11 assignment, but I'm out of Spider-Mans. Oh, man. Come on. Let's see what he said here. Messages? It's got to be messages because I got a message now. Let's see. Yes. He's got to add a Spider-Man. We got Brett, Synthetic Brett, Sam B, and Crypto Rocketeer all going back and forth as Spider-Mans. I love it, dude. I love it. That looks legit. You got me again. Oh! Is this the real one? And now I don't even know. I was like, is that the real AMC Trapper or is that a synthetic Trapper? I don't even know what's going on in here. Claybro, what is computer share? I don't even know. GME is doing this. So what does this mean for AMC? I don't know what this whole computer share thing is or what the deal is with it, man. And I don't think people need to register their shares anywhere for some sort of validation that your shares are real. You have real shares. Hey, Clay, bought more, averaged up a bit from $5.70 to $6. Nice, Cavilo. Still green, not going anywhere. I love it, man. $6 average, sweet. Clay, bro, thoughts on the volatility index? Yes, tracks volatility. Rubber Duxy. What's my thoughts supposed to be? Gonna scale out to 5, hold the rest until 10, buy in more AMC with the profits. Antics the legend, killing it, man, killing it. Dude, riding CEI from $1 to $5 is gonna be nuts. And the pick, bro, yes, the pick does do it. So I do look at that. Not losing patience. Just want to say I'm the type wanting to get the what going? Get it going? Game going? The waiting game sucks, but that's why the hedge funds' biggest play is to wait it out. It is, dude. It is. They know that we're impatient, and if they can wait us out, they win. Simple as that. That's the real AMC Trapper there. I think it might be. I think it might be. I don't think he's fake photoing these days. Where's Crypto Rocketeer at? Love you, Lauren and Jenny. Where's Lauren and Jenny at? That's what we really need to know. How the heck is Hood down 14 cents? What? What is going on? Is that what you're saying? What do you mean? You want it to be down more than 14 cents? Yo, Clay, bro, what's up? Good afternoon, bro. Sid, good afternoon to you as well. Simon got a wrench too. Everybody's got a wrench these days. No, that's got to be the fake Simon there with a fake Simon photo. Dang, man, this dude is good. This dude is now using fake photos. I don't even know what's going on here. I don't even know what's going on. This is getting out of my control. Should I sell some GME to buy AMC? Luca Tony, I think if you've got GameStop and AMC, you're in a good position, man. I don't think anybody needs to sell like another position and go heavier in on AMC or GameStop or whatever, especially if you don't feel comfortable doing it. But I think AMC and GameStop are both going to be rising around the same time. Clay hiring plumbers left and right today. Ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Squeeze must be here. Dude, the thing is, I don't even know if this is going to be the real Nick F. I don't even know who the real guys are anymore. I am confused. Chat giving me a headache. 1111 Simon. I feel you, man. I feel you. It must be a sale at Harbor Freight. Dude, Harbor Freight has always got sales going on, man. That's where I would get my wrench. He's catfishing. AMC Trapper. He might be. Or if you are the real AMC Trapper. But see, you got me dope. Got me dope. What did dope say? AMC Trapper? Maybe. I don't know. Remember, diamonds take time, heat and pressure. So get the faith, and our diamond hands will. Spine? What is spine? I don't even know what that means. About CI 66 cents. My $200 is now $952. Sid, sick, man, sick. Turning $200 into $952. Lauren, I love you. This is the real Simon. Yes, that is the real Simon. He loves you, Lauren, if you're out there. I'm confused. Now, I know that picture's different there. That one's too big. That one's too big. You screenshotted it too big, man. I see it. AMC Trapper. Diamond-handed apes. It's me, baby. It's me. Yes, the real AMC Trapper. It's not Harbor Freight. It's China Freight. Either way, dude. They got really cheap tools there. Time for ripping if we should hit $40 today. I don't think we're going to hit $40 today, though, man. We got 2 minutes, not dollars, hours, days, 2 minutes left in the day. AMC and GME, same fight, just different battlefronts. Yeah, John, I completely agree with you, man. And when one squeezes, I think both are going to squeeze. Do you think we'll fall to 30? Yeah, Joan, if we break down, if we sustain a move below this level, I think we're testing 33 to 35. And if we break that, I think we're going back down to 30-ish. It's all part of the penny stock challenge, turning small pennies into big dollars. Heck yes, Sid. I don't have a wrench. Not sure what it does or why I want one, but everyone's doing it, so I want one. Adam, it's all right, man. It doesn't really do anything. It just lets you block people. The Chinese supposed to show up in the harbor, man. They come via ship. Yes. Harbor Freight. Chinese showing up in the harbor. This is getting intense. This is getting deep. We know what they're doing now. Will they get rid of their free tools? Never going back. Ridiculous, isn't it, man? Ridiculous. They need to get those flyers out for those free tools again. How many tape measures do you have? What's the story? Morning Glory. Brian, what's the story on AMC? Ending lower today, unfortunately. Going to have a small stroke when it hits 30. We'll wake up after it hits 50. Well, dude, we'll wake you up when September ends. It'll be 50 by the time September ends, right? Because by the end of this week, we're supposed to be at 250, according to all the guys out there that practice cycle theory. I got you, Diamond Hands. Dope, 392. Thank you. Taco Tuesday, blue hair time. This means now. Sorry. Blue hair time. That means now. I was like, what is blue hair time? Dude, people that go for tacos at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, that's a little early, isn't it? Blue hair time. I wish I was on blue hair time. Unfortunately, I will be eating tacos later if I have tacos today. Dang, man. Thanks for the invite there, niece. We go at 5 o'clock, we can have more tacos. Clay, if we continue to fall, do I pay off the wife's SUV or buy more AMC? Sorry, honey, I needed to buy the dip. JB, here's how you look at that, man. I don't know what your interest rate is on that car payment there. Let's just say it's, I don't even know what a car payment interest rate looks like. Is it around 5% roughly? You're looking at about 5% interest that you'd be saving if you pay off that car. AMC has a higher likelihood of making you more than 5%. So if you make more than 5% on AMC, you did better than making that car, make your car payments, okay? Don't get repossessed. But as far as like paying off the car or buying more AMC, if you think you can make more than 5% on AMC, you kind of know what the answer is. 36.98. 36.98. 36.98. Oh my gosh. 36. Come on. Thought I'd never see 36 again. All right, so let's look at this, guys, because that is not good news that we did close below this area in here, okay? So if this, tomorrow is going to be crucial. If tomorrow we continue to fall here and we got follow through, we've basically broken that downtrend line that we have in this support area between $37 and $38 per share. So if we get follow through tomorrow, we could potentially see a decline all the way down to here in the 35s in this area. See, we're tapping it right here. I should show you right here. We're tapping right here. Or even in here before we pull up with more support. This is a decent level that we've got in here. We tapped it here, 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 here. So this area would be more support if we break through and follow through on this downside tomorrow. Beyond that, unfortunately, we all know that we could be looking back down into here. 30 down to upper 20s. So I just want to prepare everybody in advance that these are the next levels of support. You know, potentially here we touched it 1, 2, 3 times, and that's in the $35 range. But we may be experiencing some more turbulence and going back down to lower 30s if that happens. I just want to keep everybody like involved and up to date on what's going on there, and hopefully we do not decline further. But you know, just so we all get an idea of what's going on there. BBIG, Jason, you in BBIG, man? A great thing, I'm patient. I want to buy more at a lower price. Jeremy, that is a good thing you're patient then. What did Lisa say? Darn it, it's Clay, bro. Said 5% interest rate. Lisa, how much are you paying on car? Like, I don't know what everybody's paying. Maybe if I had some credit, Lisa, if you would loan me something so I could understand what these interest rates are, maybe I would be a little bit more up to date on these interest rates here. But with that being said, Lisa, you never loan me anything. So how am I supposed to know if you won't let me know? What do you guys pay for car interest rates? I have no idea. 737 million volume on CI. Yeah, wedge of all wedges. Dude, what is this crypto racketeer, man? 737 million volume on CEI today. Absolutely getting traded like crazy. That's AMC volume back in June. Beer is not an option. No mercy. Matthew McConaughey, I love it, man. For the love of God, we need a cup and handle. We do need a cup and handle, Sam. We need one now. A Tuesday, a bloody Tuesday. Yes, it was. Yes, pay off the car. I have to find $1,000 to pay off my credit card loan debt. Hope AMC would have done that by now. Yes, man. We all hoped that AMC would have done that by now. I don't know if it will, though. Hi, lovely Abe's. Pancakes! What is going on? How are you? Listen, guys, take care of your payments first and foremost. It's never a good idea to play with money that you absolutely need. Austin, 100%, man. Wake me up when Redtember ends. Won't be very long till Redtember ends. We'll wake you up, Nando. Do you think it's more likely to squeeze if we drop to the $10 range and shorts cover voluntarily and hold till the moon? If we hold till the moon, yes. If we actually hold the stock, then yes. But that's the point, man. A lot of people are going to try and sell. And then if we go from 10 to 20, you're going to have those idiot day traders that doubled their money. And they're like, well, 20 was great, man. I'm out. I just doubled my money. So that's the problem you run into, man. It all comes down to holding. And that's why everybody always mentions it. Pancakes needs a hug. Listen, it's going to take me like 20 hours to get over and hug Pancakes. Somebody who's closer, please hug Pancakes right now. I wish I could, but I can't. Oh, come on, Clay. I've loaned you stuff before. Yeah, man, like a 5% interest rate, right? So that's why I thought that everything was a 5% interest rate. I don't know. I thought like 5% on your house, 5% on your car, 5% on everything else. I don't know. Hey, bro, if you have to think interest rates on cars is 5%, you probably have an 850 credit score. No, Lisa, I do not have a credit score, and that's why I just need your help with all of this stuff. If we go to $29, I'm selling the testicle. Why would you do that, man? Just pawn it. You get that thing back, dude. Get that thing back later. Don't sell it. Just pawn it. If we hit $10, I'm going to throw up and cry and then collect myself and buy some more. That right there. That's a strategy. That's a strategy. Throw up and cry, get the emotions out, buy some more and watch it rip. One of your mods is the imposter. Who is it? It's Crypto Rocketeer, man. For sure, Crypto Rocketeer. I thought Nando said, wake me up when Rentember ends. And I was about to say, that's next week, bro. Yes, that is next week. Let's see. Thank you, Pancake. For you, Pancakes. There's your hug, Pancakes, right there. We got one for you. Clay doesn't have a credit score. Like, credit scores are for the cool kids, man. Why would anybody have a credit score? This is what happens when you woke up and watch AMC prediction on YouTube. Exactly. G.A. Rapati. Exactly. You watch a YouTube prediction on AMC, and then it goes the opposite. AT&T pays 7% dividends. Yeah, roughly around 7% dividends. They're around like a $29. I think they're $27 right now, not $29. I'm holding with you. Victor! I love it, man. If we go to $29, I'm taking out a huge loan and buying options. Oh, God. You make me nervous, dude. Oh, man. Stop. Don't make me nervous, please. Fact. Because I used the VA and have a disability rating, they auto-approved me for up to $700,000 mortgage without even checking if I have a job or how much I make. I love it, dude. I love it. And Lisa won't even approve me for a $7,000 mortgage on a $700,000 home. Some people just get all of the perks in life. Pancakes. Yes, Pancakes is happy now. All they're trying to do is put some fear in us. They are the ones who need to be afraid when they're forced to cover. CJDAs. 100%, man. 100%. And if we outlast them, we win. If they outlast us, they win. Watch AMC tomorrow. Ken Griffin. What's he going to do, man? When AMC squeezes Claybro won't need a credit score because he can buy a Tesla Lambo. Buy a Tesla Lambo. I like it. With all that ka-ching moolah. Beautiful, man. I bought 2 more AMC Lords. Good deal. Oh, my goodness. Pancakes. What's up? Oh, my what? I'll have to lower my average, my 48 average. I'm cool, Bacon Sean. You got to lower the average. You got to lower the average, guys. That means buying the dip. I'm starting to think people can't actually predict the future. No way. Chris, you've been hanging out in here too long. Gotta go hang out with the guys that can predict future. Buy the dip and hold. That is the plan, man. I just increased my weekly electronic limit to 100,000. Good deal, CGDAs. Thanks for the hugs. Absolutely, Pancakes. Come in here, you get hugs. No fear. I have no fear. I buy the dip for it to dip lower. Never fresh. It's all right, man. You got another dip you can buy then. Still holding my AMC, but it's making me. You're wet in the bed like R. Kelly? Interesting. We go to 29. I sell my car, ukuleles, and guitar, and buying 200 more shares. Boom, baby. Matthew McConaughey loading up at 29. I think too many whales on our side for us to give up. Yeah, dude, I'm not giving up for sure. Clay, dark pool trading at its finest. Love to see the facial expressions. You love my facial expressions? Thank you. I know the squeeze wasn't today, of course. It's tomorrow. Carson, yes it is, man. Made some money in Nike puts today and bought 10 more shares of AMC. Josh, good deal. You never lose if you average down. You never lose, technically, if you don't sell, right? You never recognize the loss. Buy the dip, ride the rip. Sid, excellent advice there, man. Hey, Carson has a point. Yes, Carson does have a point. YouTube thumbnails will be AMC to 1,000 per share tomorrow. Yeah, and then there's going to be a lot of breaking news, bombshell. Somebody dropped a bombshell, leaked information, and something will be exposed tonight. Those 4 things, like if I'm predicting AMC thumbnails, somebody's going to drop a bombshell. Somebody's going to be exposing something. Something will be leaked. And, exposed, leaked, bombshell. What is the other one I just said? I completely forget what I said there. Exposed, leaked, bombshell. I don't even know what I said now. Those 3 things, then what happened? We just lost one of them. Nobody is selling, man. Everyone is holding. It is shorting and naked shares. and bringing the market down all day, and the media says it's because buying bonds. No, it is because AMC to the moon. Well, listen, man. I don't exactly know why, if the media is telling you the stock market's going down because people are moving over into bonds, stock market's probably going down because people think that the government's not going to get their stuff together by the time the debt ceiling agreement needs reached. But, yeah, they would be moving their investments into other places. Somebody takes a leak. Yes, that. Margot! That's right. Somebody takes a leak. That's what it was. The lower it goes and the more buying there will be in the 20s, it won't last long. Yeah, Adam, listen, I agree. The lower it goes, the more buying there will be. Grandpa Barney is back and holding. What's up, Grandpa Barney? Kenny G is in here. Now is a good time to tell you that everyone is invited to my birthday party besides him. Kenny G, man, you're the only person that's not invited to the real Sam B's birthday party. Very sorry to hear that. To keep these up, man, I can tell you're logical and a value trader. You're going to help a lot of people, and you have a good attitude as well. Plus, chat engagement is top-notch in here. Love it. CJDAS. Dude, CJDAs, what does that even mean? I don't even know. CJDAs. Afternoon, Grandpa. Afternoon, Grandpa. How you doing? Can we give Grandpa Barney an honorary bro membership? Dude, I wish we could, man. I don't even know how to do that. Like, is that a thing? Clay numero uno. Oh, 11, Mr. Sam, numero uno. Yeah, that was 4. Am I invited? Pancakes, you are invited. I guarantee tonight someone will post a thumbnail. Proof AMC Squeeze is guaranteed. Then that video will either be yesterday's Ken Griffin News or something about options. Also, a very high likelihood, Chris. Yes, very high likelihood, man. Hopefully, the last of the paper hands get weeded out. I'm sorry for those who got in the 40 up. We are going to have to hit new highs after today. Oh, watch. Shoot, man, I hope we do. Going to take a leak. Playmaker, 88. Go enjoy that leak, man. If the government doesn't approve the budget, they will mint a $1 trillion coin to cover the cost of this, according to many financial news outlets. I don't know if they actually will, because that's extremely stupid. But if they do that, they do have the possibility of doing that. And I think that's what a lot of the financial news outlets are kind of like promoting in that story, is just that they have the possibility of doing that. Do you have a birthday suit for the party? Shoot, man, I got my birthday suit ready for the party. Everybody's saying hi to Grandpa Barney right now. I love it. He's the best at chat engagement. Thank you very much, MC Trapper. I appreciate that. The only downside of the stream is how stupid those faces. It's true, man. It's true. That really is the only downside to the stream, is how stupid my face is. But I can't help it, man. I can't help it. I was born that way. M. James! What's going on, M. James? How you doing? Gabe. Something about Gabe. Missed what somebody said about Gabe. My crystal ball tells me a squeeze is happening on Thursday. Nilsson. My lava lamp says... That's hot. That's hot, man. So my lava lamp says, I'm eating and watching at home. Pancakes, having lunch at home today. Very nice. If this red holds till Thursday afternoon, my favorite at a discount. Very good, Frank. I love people getting in on dips. Kenny G blows. Dude, if Kenny G plays the saxophone, what's wrong with that, man? Sheesh. What is our next big support? Henry. Next big support, man, down in the 34, like the 35 area. We went over a little. That's why we get this big chart here with the 4-hour chart. So if we break down through this level right here, we could experience a drop down to 33 is the next big level of support. But we do have support here as well. We touched it 1, 2, 3, 4 times back there in the past. So around $35 per share. You break through that, you're looking down in this area right here. Lower 30s, man. $32, $33 per share. Beyond that, 30. So at least we've got some sort of support here at $35 per share that we're going to leave on the chart for a while and kind of hopefully see what happens with that. But that's if we get follow through to the downside. If we don't, then excellent. 100,000 all the way. Let's do it, Brian. I'm on board for that. I think your lava lamp is possessed by Paris Hilton. It might be, man. Might be. Paris Hilton did say that's hot. Me too, Pam. Oh, Cookie's in here. What's going on, Cookie? I played the violin. I did not play the violin. I played the flute. What do you guys say about playing the flute? plain banner saying Ken Griffin lied under oath flying on Friday near Citadel building. Yes. You guys are relentless, man. I love these plain banners that are flying everywhere. Oh my gosh, that's just great. Let's make an 8 band. I say we make an 8 band for sure. Is there room in the band for a flute? Hey, pancakes, Clay, bro. What's going on, Cookie? Hopefully you're having a great day today. Please hold it till 100 or till 10,000. It's life changing for me. Jaskaran, Koshar. Yeah, dude, I'm holding as long as the shorts haven't covered. If the shorts start to cover in great quantities, man, and the short interest is coming down, listen, I'm not holding beyond that. I don't think anybody should hold beyond the shorts covering. You got to remember that's why we're here. Like if the shorts are covering and we're not near 10,000, please just think about selling your positions and so on. But we are here for a short squeeze, and when the shorts cover, that's the short squeeze. Do not be holding AMC at $1,000 a share with no short interest on it. At that point, you will be in very big trouble. I'll play the ukulele in the 8 band. I love it, Matthew McConaughey. This is going to be a very interesting band. If market drops tomorrow again, I'm going to risk a wash sale on SQQ. Hey, what's the problem with a wash sale, man? There's no problem with that. I say go for it. Can I be backup singer in the band? Frodo, for sure, man. I miss you, Cookie. Me too. Let's fly a We Miss You, Brett, Texas banner. We should. Dude, wouldn't that be hilarious? Dead hilarious. If we figured out where Brett lived and then flew a We Miss You, Brett, Texas banner. I don't know how much that costs to fly a banner. But let's say we flew one over, or like it surrounded his house for however long banners fly. I don't even know. But let's just say we did that. That would be amazing. That would be epic if we all chipped in like $10 and flew a banner around the dude's house for an hour, and he finally came back to us because he saw it. That would be worth my $10. That would be worth $10 for sure. I saw a plane fly past my penthouse on Central Park South before. Nice, Ken Griffin. What did it say, man? Was it good or bad? Vortex update from Nick. Estimated short interest change down barely anything. 0.01% borrowed change down 15,000. Estimated current short interest of free float 20.75%. Estimated current short interest 106.12 million. Cost borrow average 1.58. Days to cover 1.33. Thank you very much for the Vortex update there, Nick. We all appreciate that, man. I have a drone. Should I check out what Citadel is doing? Yes. And actually, maybe it might be better if we get a drone. Anybody in the Texas area have a drone that you could fly like a little banner? This would be a lot cheaper. A little banner around Brett's actual yard. Okay, it's going to be a lot easier for him to see, and he's definitely going to know it's us at that point. If somebody in the, I don't know, Austin area maybe, or wherever Brett was, has a drone that you can attach a banner to it and fly it around Brett's house. We need this. My current financial situation, best I can do is to fly a kite in his yard with a message on it in Sharpie. Hey man, that's good enough. Like, then he would definitely know it's us. If we flew a kite in his yard with a nice big long tail that said, Brett, Texas, we need you, return to us. Oh my God. Clay, did I tell you about how I would make Kenny G hold my pocket if we go to jail together? No, and I don't even know what that means. Like holding somebody's pocket. But it sounds like you guys are best friends at that point. If you're holding somebody's pocket, you guys definitely have to be best friends. I'm on it, Clay, bro. Cookie, get on it. Go either grab a drone or go grab a kite and fly it around Brett's house. We need Brett back. Oh my gosh. We could start our search by trying every place that has mozzarella sticks. If it doesn't work, well, hey, I'm down for some good sticks anyway. Real Sam B. Me too, man. It's a win-win either way in that situation. I miss his humor. Google it. Man, I can't. Is it bad, dude? Should I Google it? Like, is it bad to hold somebody's pocket? How do you know when Citadel's psychological warfare campaign against the apes is working? As soon as the apes are totally consumed by thoughts of Kenny G, Citadel, and Dark Bulls. Mike, you can tell that we're not totally consumed by these thoughts in this channel. We are very mentally strong apes in this channel here. The wedge of all the wedges. Yes, the wedge of all the wedges. Prison Break reference. I did like Prison Break. It was a good show. But that's a Prison Break reference? Best friends? Not even close. Coach Core's versus Coach Core's very real football bat. Dude, that would be me, thinking you can use a football bat. If you hold someone's pocket, it means you give them a PP slap soft. Okay, that does not sound like something that I'm interested in. Sam B, thank you very much. Clay, you make someone hold your pocket when you're in prison. I don't even know what that means, dude. Like, if Sam B is not joking, that sounds bad. Don't be doing that now. Don't be doing that. Hey, Trappa. Clay, bro, I'll do one better since I'm back. I'll go over in person and get into log. He's legit like 30 minutes. Do it. Do it. Oh, my. Do it. It's not even that much better. Like, please go fly a kite in his yard. If you have a kite, listen, Cookie, you have to be crafty, okay? Go get, like, I don't know, some ribbon and write in Sharpie, Brett, Texas, please come back to us and go fly a kite right outside in his yard. That would be epic. I've never seen Prison Break. I just referenced a real life prison. Yeah, Prison Break was a good show. I did like that one, but real life prison sounds scary, man. Clay, how good was Justin Herbert on Sunday? Really good, JB. Really good. Justin Herbert did a good job on Sunday. He did work. Justin Herbert did work on Sunday. He really handled the ball well. Did I do a good job of faking who Justin Herbert is? Clay, what do you say if people have 0 in the bank and 10,000 in AMC and the wife wants to sell before we go red? Hey, if you think you're gonna go red and you need to sell to get out, listen, you don't need to hold into the negative if you're in green right now. But I don't think also that you should have 10,000 in AMC with no money in the bank. That's a little heavy for me. Prison Break clearly explained the pocket holding with that crazy guy. I forget his name. Dude, if they explain that, then you guys are watching that like on Netflix or Hulu or something, because being in high school, I did not pick up on that when Prison Break was on. Great job, Clay. He did handle a ball well. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, JB. I knew he did it. Oil Tipped is in here. I didn't need to delete that, but okay. Did not see what somebody deleted. Sorry about that. My cousin was in jail for like 25 years, and recently was talking to me about Prison Break, and he said he liked it a lot before he went to jail. So obviously the show wasn't factual, or he would have left. Dude, the show was kind of factual. I mean, come on. You tattoo the blueprints to the jail on your body, and then you inject yourself with some, like, little things, and yeah, man, it can happen. You can break out of prison that way. It's funny how there is no such thing as pocket holding in real life. That's all Hollywood. Ivan's been to prison before. Ivan's been to prison before for sure. Claire, are you super confident in AMC or somewhat confident? Super confident in the squeeze? Yeah, I'm super confident that the shorts are going to cover, man. I'm super confident the shorts are going to cover. At what price? I have no idea. OTIP SQQQ was very generous to me today. Thanks to the spy. Nice. Where Red Texas. Get it trending on Twitter right now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so on. I called in dead today. Hangover. I called in dead today? How do you call in dead, man? Clay, bro. What are your brackets? How would you suggest, or how would you have sold if you were to hold XX number of shares? Dude, I don't have brackets, right? I don't have like price points where I'm guaranteed to sell and so on. The thing about AMC is that it is so difficult to predict, man, because I don't think that we're gonna be going to $70 again. I don't think that it's just going to touch 55, and then that's a great place to take a profit. It's not like you're going in and day trading and basing your numbers off of resistance lines that you may see trouble with. AMC literally has unlimited potential, and knowing that makes it difficult to put any bracket on there, because it all becomes a game of when are people going to give up. And I honestly, I have no idea when people are going to give up. Ivan, are you sure? You just aren't. You are just ugly, bro. And maybe I don't know, but If you are, you can't have your pocket held. Clay told me to be careful with inverse ETFs, and I was careful-ish. I like it. Careful-ish. Good deal, man. As long as you're making money, dude, you're good. Clay, do you think AMC is set to plummet again to $5 before it goes up? I highly doubt that, man. I highly doubt that. Q-Bread, Texas. Yes, let's get him in here. Come on now. Why is AMC down? Did the squeeze happen already? How are you getting away with this? I don't even... There's... See, it's a weird picture. I don't know if this is the real one or not. Clay bro, can you please give a quick shout out to Caitlin and Alex? What's up, Caitlin and Alex? They're my world. They just surprised me with new AirPods so I can hear you better now on my iPhone. Pancakes! Sorry I just yelled Caitlin and Alex to you, but if I'm shouting them out and you're wearing AirPods, how are they going to hear me? How are they going to hear me if you're wearing AirPods right now? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Apes are not giving up. AMC is going 500. Let's do it, Ford. Never give up. Never surrender. Shoot, man, that's some Captain Planet stuff right there. Trapper in the house, baby. AMC Trapper is the man, dude. Clay, do you think AMC is plummeting? No, I don't think it's going to go back down to $5 before it goes to the squeeze. That's really drastic. I haven't sold, and I'm in it in $297. People need to show patience, baby. Oh, yes. Brett, if you're real, where is your dad? Yeah, spread. If you're real, where is your dad? So you know it's the real me, bacon grease mozzarella sticks. Is this the... How did this happen? Is this the real one? Is this... I feel like this is the real one, dude. That's 2 answers in a row. Like, the only thing I got left to answer, like, the only thing I have left to confirm is what street did I grow up on as a child? What was the first book that I ever read? What is my mother's middle name? What is my mother's maiden name? These password questions are the only things I have left. Oh, Synthetic Brett really did his homework. If it's a synthetic one, he really did his homework. I know, man. I swear it's got to be the real one. Because, like, who's going to get that? Bacon grease mozzarella sticks. His dad's getting that $1 million gallon of milk. Oh, man. Oh, man. I know those answers. Oh, man. Clipper, what's up? What's up, Short Crusher? How you doing? I had it on and off. Nice, Pancakes. Stuart Little, your book. No, that's the last book I read. That's not the first one. They heard you. Yes! I'm glad they heard the shout out. Very good, Pancakes. Thank you. Dump AMC before you get dumped on. No! Magol Baron? No! We're all in here. Your dream happened. I just passed out if you didn't know what that was. So I'm back now. Doing, man. Doing. I like it, Short Crusher. 3-hour tendies. Do it, mozzarella sticks or Twix for Italians. Do they come in packs of 2, man? Do they come in like the left mozzarella and the right mozzarella? Clay's first book, A Child's Guide to Coping with Oversized Penis. And it's been... Never mind. I could have gone down that road, but I will not go down that road. It's been working out for me. I'm up on blank streets. Yes, you did, Pancakes, and so did I. Plot twist. The same person who heard Brett at Walmart and found his channel went back and yelled that we missed Brett and Brett heard him. Dude, that would be the most amazing thing ever. That would be perfect. First book you read was Good Night Moon. I have no idea what the first book I read was, actually. No idea. It's probably a very bad one. The Old Dirt Road. That's it. It's a good place to be, though. The Old Dirt Road. The only way for MC to squeeze is if there is no manipulation, but smart money will never allow that unless the SEC steps in, which won't happen. I don't think that that's the only way AMC squeezes. I really don't. Thank you, Clay. Thank you, Pancakes. Brett, do they have a book for the opposite problem? Asking for a friend. Please let me know, because I need a child's guide to a munchkin kitten. A munchkin, a white teacup munchkin kitten. I need a book for that one. I ran out of ice cream, darn it. Pancakes. You need more ice cream. These people should have brought you ice cream, not AirPods. I want some ice cream. We need ice cream, and we need it now. Fake Lauren. No, I'm calling fake Lauren. Hey, someone deleted my message. No! Fake Lauren, for sure. Come on, not a real one. There's no way. What can we expect in the upcoming SEC GameStop report? Ivan. I have no idea what to expect in that, dude. If it's anything like GameStop's actual earnings report, it's going to be very brief. Very brief. Lauren, I don't think anyone can delete your message. No one would dare delete Lauren's message. There's no way that's the real Lauren anyway, though. Brett, now that you're back, squeeze tomorrow, huh? Yes, guaranteed. I will personally squeeze AMC tomorrow now that Brett is back. Oh my gosh, I feel so good. The lenders will want their shorts back. The squeeze is inevitable. I love it, Ford. Only Clay can. Dude, I can't even do it unless I'm in YouTube chat and I'm in Streamlabs chat, so I can't delete anything. SEC's corrupt. Probably full of BS. Dude, it might be. I don't know. I don't think everybody there is corrupt, though. Ivan, I'll tell you what we can't expect. Pocket holding. Because my life is a lie, man. What is your take on Mark, Cahoes and Lucy Cosmer interview? Stuart, I have no idea, dude. Your wife's boyfriend. A Guide to Inner Peace. Claybrow's first book. Yes, Gorilla Invictus. That was definitely my first book ever. It was a doozy. It was a doozy, but I made it through. Trying to delete your message, Lauren. And I can't. Nice. There you go. Yes, as... I should just make everybody mods, then nobody can delete anybody's message. As foretold, my return will precipice the squeeze. It is foretold that the return of Brett will cause the squeeze to happen. Squeeze tomorrow, guys. If you were wondering, he returned after hours, so squeeze is going to happen tomorrow. Is that the real Brett? It seems to be. AMC Trapper, it seems to be. AMC GME report due date failed to deliver. Yeah, Frank. Sorry, failed to deliver. Sorry, guys. R.L. Stein, all of them. Ivan. I did hook myself up with some of those R.L. Stein Goosebump books. Wait. You're telling me that I have been telling all these beautiful things to the fake Lauren? Oh, no. No, that's not all day. That picture there is a lot darker than Lauren's normal picture. So that's the difference. That picture's a lot darker. Let's see. It's me, Lauren, AMC at AMC Trapper. Yes! Gosh, man, I'm so happy. Nah, Simon, you're good. Yes. There you go. Alert on Mr. Simon. Boom! What's that tell you? Dabbing on him, baby. I'll be honest, guys. I'm getting a Peter tingle about being my real brother in here and not a synthetic. Me too, man. Me too. I'm getting that Peter tingle too. We know it's real when the Peter tingle comes in. How could they keep shorting AMC if no one is selling? And plus, the 21 to 100 short interest. The 21-100 short interest. So they can continue shorting AMC because the utilization is not at 100. There are still shares available to be borrowed. If there are no shares available to borrow, then they can short. Then they can no longer short AMC. But there are shares to borrow, so they can short it. Grandpa Barney, thank you for the super chat. Grandpa Barney added another 89, my boy, helping my family push the dump truck into each of our banks. Love you all. Go family, go. Grandpa Barney, you know we love you too, man. Add another 89 shares. Incredible. Grandpa Barney's stacking up. Dude, Grandpa Barney's going to be balling during the short squeeze. I'm telling you, man. 21 over 100%. 21 over 100%. 121%. Like, what are we saying there? I don't even know. AMC put a crack in my heart, but it's not broken yet. Good deal. Down 20,000. My wife told me to sleep on the couch. I told her it's Claybro's fault because I bought more shares after she told me to sleep on the couch. I bought more shares after she told me to sleep on the couch. It's all right, dude. It's all right. You'll, listen, she'll tell you to come back to the bed when AMC's squeezing, and you're making a ton of money. So it's all right, Spaz. You're going to be doing good. Let's get some peaceful sleep. And Grandpa Barney, man, once again, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. This is so beautiful. Ford, this is beautiful. Clay, do you think they will let the debt default? No, I don't think that they're going to let it default. However, they probably will let the government shut down for a while, right? And then, oh, well, we came to an agreement, and we'll push it down the road a little bit further. So, yeah, I don't think they're going to default, but I do think that they're going to shut down for a while. According to TA, now that we are under 37, we may see low 30s if we don't see a bounce tomorrow. ODJ, yeah. So if we can see some follow through tomorrow to the downside, we may be going mid to low 30s, man. That's why I got this line right here. Oops, let's go big weeble, and then that's why I got this line right here at around $35 per share. You can see we tested this boom, 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 boom several times in the past. Boom, it's boom, boom. It's held up as support several times in the past, so that's why I got this line right here. If we continue to follow through tomorrow, then we may be going back down to 35. Clay, which villain are you more excited to see again, Doc Ock or Green Goblin? Green Goblin over Doc Ock, personally. Crypto is here. Yes, Crypto Rockets here is back, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Grandpa Barney. We love you too. Margo! Yes, we do. You think it's a bounce tomorrow is possible? Yes, I do. A bounce to get us at least to 40. I still think a bounce to 40 is possible as well. So, I'm not going to rule out a bounce from where we're at right now. Crap. I'll have to buy more. Well, shoot. Grandpa Barney says if we go down a little bit, guess what he's doing? He's adding more to the list. But we could bounce tomorrow. So, you know, I say we see what happens. Do we follow through or do we get a bounce here? I can't tell if you're joking. I never saw a text. Dang, man. You've never responded to my text message, you silly goose. Shoot, man. Maybe he didn't get ghosted. Maybe he got nosted because he didn't even know that the text was there. Did ice cream. Pancakes. What kind of ice cream? Everybody throw out your favorite ice cream. I can stand it, but worst flavor of ice cream, and you guys are probably going to hate me for this, chocolate. Chocolate ice cream. I do not like it. It does not taste like chocolate to me. I do not like chocolate ice cream. I'm not a huge ice cream fan to begin with. I got like a hair in my mouth. I'm not a huge ice cream guy to begin with, but chocolate, by far, worst flavor of ice cream. No way. So I want to know your guys' favorite. Same chocolate ice cream sucks. Yeah, it does not taste like chocolate to me for some reason. Sherbet. Sherbet's bomb. I do like sherbet. Orange sherbet, even though it's not ice cream. I prefer sherbet. I can't eat a ton of ice cream. It messes with my stomach. It makes me feel a little weird. But mint chocolate chip. I like mint chocolate chip, vanilla, and I can't do chocolate, but I do like mint. I'm on sherbet all day long. I'd eat that. What did Huckleberry say, man? Huckleberry ice cream? Is that what you got? You like what you like? I love all flavors. Oh, shoot, man. All flavors is good. Carvel chocolate is best. Never had that, I don't think. Chocolate ice cream is nasty. Steven doesn't like it either. THC ice cream is my favorite. I don't know if that sounds like something I'm interested in, but shoot. I don't like milk. Yeah, AMC Trapper, I don't really like milk either. I'll never just sit there and drink a glass of milk, but like I can eat some ice cream and, ice cream cake. I prefer ice cream cake over actual ice cream. But, no, I don't know. I'm not going to do chocolate ice cream ever, but that is a good question, like favorite ice creams, because some of you guys probably got some weird ones. Strawberry or mint chocolate chip, a green kind. The green kind of mint chocolate chip, yes. I am on board with that one. Strawberry, I do like strawberry ice cream. Water flavored ice cream. I don't even know if that's a thing, Vic. Vanilla with maple bacon crumbles. A Jake Sky. Dang, that does sound good, dude. I don't think Lauren has been in tonight. No, I have not seen Lauren in here tonight. She was here earlier, but I haven't seen her tonight. It's coffee or pumpkin. Okay, coffee could be good, because I've gotten coffee frozen yogurt at times, and I do like that. And pumpkin. Speaking of pumpkin, has anybody ever had the pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen? That's actually a pretty good blizzard, if you've had that one before. Vanilla's okay with stuff like apple pie alone. Yeah, dude. I had some, like, it was like oatmeal with apples made in the crock pot the other day. That was delicious. I eat Halo Top every time I watch The Bachelorette. It's my guilty pleasure. Dude, my dad's probably, Sam, are you my dad? Because it sounds like you might be my dad, man. I don't know. Did you change your name and just become a member and you're fooling me? You're actually my dad? Onion flavor ice cream? I don't know if that exists. Coffee. Lisa likes coffee flavor ice cream. Cookies and cream is life. Dude, cookies and cream is pretty good ice cream, too. Let's see. What about my ladies? Tastes like... What now? What? Clay got 280 shares in Rolls Royce. What's your opinion of that stock for the long haul, or do I sell and buy more shares? Spaz out, man. It's completely up to you. I don't have a problem with staying in Rolls Royce long term, and I also don't have a problem with people diversifying and staying away from 100% portfolio that's in AMC either. Belgian chocolate is great. I know some people like, oh man, what's the chocolate? Death by chocolate. I know a lot of people like Death by chocolate too. Cookie dough's the bomb. Yeah, cookie dough's good. Pralines and cream. I've never had that. Bluebell or Baskins and Robin. I've never had pralines and cream. Mint chocolate chip slabs. Slabs? Oh, slaps. I'm like, is that like an ice cream sandwich? Is that like a slab of mint chocolate chip, or what's the deal on that? But it slaps. Okay, that's my boy's got no hat on right now. Okay, my boy, no hat. It's one of those guys saying it slaps. My girlfriend had me take her to Dairy Queen to get a pumpkin pie blizzard, and they didn't have them yet. 5 days later in the morning, she came out of the bedroom mad AF, yelling at me for not getting her one. Sam, I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you, you gotta say, make me a pumpkin pie blizzard. They can make it happen. You know they can. It's about time for them to get pumpkin pie blizzards anyway, though, dude. We're getting into October here. What are they thinking? Belgium is the bomb. What is this? Belgian chocolate? Is that what you're talking about? I just want some soft serve. Kelly doesn't believe in soft serve ice cream. It's just frozen yogurt. I hate California. They don't have soft serve ice cream out there? What? Any thoughts on OPTT? I bought some a while back and it randomly ripped this afternoon during a deep red day. OPTT. For some reason, that sounds familiar, but I'm not exactly sure which one that was. Nick F, is that the one you sent me the other day, or is that a different one? Ken Griffin flavored ice cream. It's not a flavor. I did not see what 11 on the Simon said. Sorry, I missed that one. Targeteer is like T1000 from the Terminator. He can return. Yes, he can. Why is AMC tanking, Clay? Jay, we're just on a downtrend right now, but it's not necessarily just tanking, man. Everything in the market had a very large pullback today. They have them now. Don't worry, I had to go back. By the way, odds are if a big meetup, your dad and I might become best friends. Oh, dude, there's a very high likelihood of that happening. You guys would probably all enjoy my dad. You really would. Dairy Queen has pumpkin pie blizzard. Well, there you go. They got pumpkin pie blizzards, so your girlfriend's going to be just fine. Oh, yeah. Options, options, options. Man, we got to make money, guys. Website and Discord up soon. I love it. Pancakes ice cream is the best. Pancakes ice cream is the best. All right. What is Death by Chocolate? I went in. Playmaker! Look it up, man. I don't do chocolate ice cream. I just know people like Death by Chocolate. Cannoli! Cannoli ice cream? Ken's ice cream is... dude, mayonnaise. Nobody's sitting there eating mayonnaise like ice cream, dude. Ocean Power Technologies. They're going to harness waves, sea, and carbon. We've talked about this before then, right? Either that... Was it ripping months ago? Like, was it ripping back at the very beginning of January? Because maybe I did a video on OPTT at the beginning of January. For some reason, that stock is very familiar to me. Pam, we got to meet up soon. I always see you enjoying them happy hour drinks. Guys, got to meet up. Salt and mayo. J-Bones, no, do not eat salt and mayonnaise, dude. Don't stop believing. What's up, Clay, bro? New sub here, holding strong for you. Phil, man, thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate that. It is going on after hours. Crypto Rocketeer, what is going on after hours, man? Down 0.5%. Down 0.5% right now. Not too much is going on after hours. 36.84 right now. Down about 16 cents, 15 cents. It's all right. Oh, sorry, I didn't pull it up. Barely down about after hours. About 15 cents right now. Nothing to be concerned about. Typical after hours play. Hey, Clay, forgive, I was working today. This is just the market. Yeah, man. Overall market had a big pullback today, and a lot of stocks got ripped. Almost everything in my watch list was red. Clay, would you jump into a burning building for a Klondike bar? Matthew, good question. Is that the only reason? Because I feel like the Klondike bar is going to be melted, man. Technically, I wouldn't do for a Klondike bar. Her milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Yes, that's a good milkshake, man. That's a good milkshake. Let's see. Meant to say it's been. Cookie, yes, it's been, yes, 7 been talking about that drinks for many months now. Let's do it. We've been maybe 7 bin. I don't even know. Don is 0.5%. Don is 0.5%. Don is 0.5%. I don't even know. I'm free when you are, Cookie. Let's do it. We can expect a big bounce tomorrow. Hey, Ivan. I do expect a little bit of a bounce in the market. Sorry, guys. I do expect a little bit of bounce in the market tomorrow because of such the decline that we had today. I don't know what the NASDAQ ended down, but I know it's down about 3% earlier. That's a very deep decline in an overall indice for the day. So I should expect a bounce in the overall market. Drumsticks, yeah, they are good too. We got Humpback Hump Day tomorrow. We better, man. I had a strange dip, 23 cents in 2 seconds. That's what I was referring to, Clay. Ah, okay. I don't see that. I didn't see that. Sorry about that, Crypto Rocketeer. I didn't see it. DMing Pam, there you go. I know what I wrote. I don't know what I wrote anymore. Nobody ever knows. And I never know what I said, Pancake. So it's all right. You don't know what you wrote. I don't know what I read. Either way, we're all good. We should plan a post squeeze even for everyone in the fam. Evening? I like this, man. An evening. Ivan wants to plan a post squeeze evening for everyone in the fam. Ivan, I like that, man. Just a nice evening. Nice, relaxed evening. Just enjoying ourselves, watching the sunset, and then going about our day. Very good there. I like it. Brett Texas! Thank you for the super chat, Brett Texas. You have no idea. You may have missed this neckbeard, man. Here's what you haven't seen since you've been gone so long. Check this out, dude. This is legit. You know how we're connecting? Check this out, dude. We're down here on the chest hair, but look at this. I don't know how well you guys can see this in here, but dude, we are going full force, full connection. Like, look at this. We're going full connection on just ape neck beard all the way down into the chest, dude. I am full on Austin Powers right now. It just looks a little patchy on the camera, but I promise, man, real life, you can see this bad boy in here. Look at that. That's like legit stuff. It's full on, dude. It's all the way. It's all the way, man. We've made the connection. Ready for blast off. And thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. It's on, dude. Neckbeard is full on strong. Neckbeard connected to the chest beard. But I have shaved here, man. I haven't gone like full collar. I could go full collar on this, but I shaved this to be like a little bit normal instead of just going full collar like all the way around. I could technically do like a, man, what do you call those things that you just like slap over your head like this and it goes around the front, goes around the back? I could probably do like a little bit of hair back here. So it's just like a full on collar, boom, with a chest plate. We made it happen, man. I'm in LA. Spider! I'm in Ohio. I'm in OH. True Wave. 4! We made it happen. I was worried that we wouldn't make it happen. We made it happen. Dude, wait till you're my age. All the hair connects. Frodo! Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah, connecting all that hair. AMC Trapper says, ouch. Yes, a little bit of an ouch. I'm down for that. Me too, man. A nice evening. Not an event. Just a nice evening together. That sounds so much better to me than an event. Not a big party guy. Connects from the beard to over there. Dude, I'm telling you. Just everywhere, Simon. Everywhere, man. Clay, you got like a full-blown blanket on your face and neck. Ivan, I'm telling you, dude. That's what you got to go with. And the funny thing is, okay, here's the funny thing about the neck beard, right? I didn't even know that like a neck beard wasn't a thing until people started coming in here and telling me I've got a neck beard, okay? I just let the stubble go, okay? And then I shave it. And then I just let it go, and then I shave it, and I let it go, and I shave it. But people are like, dude, shave your neck, man. Look at your neck. I'm like, what's wrong with my neck? Like, well, I've got facial hair, okay? No, you got to shave your neck, man. You got to clean that thing up. You got a neck beard. I'm like, what is a neck beard? I didn't even know this was a thing before you guys told me it was a thing. So this is just completely natural. This part down here, though, I let this go for the ride because this, I typically did shave this down to the chest, but now it's just connected now. I can't tell if this is neck beard or if this is chest hair. Okay, teenager. Me, a teenager? I can't wait to be old enough for a ponytail that starts at the ear. Ooh, starts at the ear hair. Shoot, dude, what are you, like right here? Like right here. Is that what we got? Little ponytail right here. I'm on for that. Chest pubes. Well, however you want to refer to him, Matthew McConaughey, we got it. Oh, the neck beard looks great on you, Clay. Thank you very much, Cookie. I appreciate that. Keeps me warm, too. Keeps me warm on cold days. Connects from beard to over there to over there, and over there to back of your head. It's true, dude. It's true. It's just like all the way around. It's all the way, like it's just a hair cap all the way around, man. Squeeze Squatch coming in hot. I'm in with Charles Schwab. Are they okay? Yeah, I think so. Stevie, I think so. I've never heard anybody complain about Charles Schwab. I don't think they have a nice they don't have as nice interface as Weeble and some of these other apps do, but I've never heard anybody complain about them. Oh no, the hair coming out of my ears as I get older. That's okay. That kind of a ponytail. That kind of ear hair. I like it, man. I don't know if I'd be on for that, but I'd do like nose hair ponytails. Are we gonna be sitting here in 10 years hoping for it to squeeze? Doctor, I highly doubt that, man. I highly doubt that. I would think that we are more likely to hit $100,000 a share than we are to be sitting here in 10 years waiting for the squeeze to happen. So that's my thought on that one. And Brett, where were you here when we figured out Clay was Amish? Yeah, Brett, were you here when we figured out that I was Amish with my wagon lap? This isn't even ship lap, dude. This is wagon lap. Don't get frustrated. If you're frustrated, go take a walk. Dude, if I go take a walk right now, you guys, what are you going to be watching? The wagon lap and the lava lamp? Can't remember what jokes you missed, but I feel like you were here for that one. Maybe. Yes, I was. He is still on the wagon to Rumspringa, or whatever is still on. Yes. I'm going to Rumspringa, guys. I gotta go. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Matthew, this is true, man. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Heck no. JB, you fast on the wrap-up video comments. I thought I was first. Dude, JB is fast on comments, dude. JB is fast on comments. JB's up there with SD and Nick F on first to be able to comment on my videos. So it's no joke. That dude, if you've got a market wrap-up from TMI or whoever you're talking about right there, JB's a quick dude. From beard to down there, from down there to back there, and back there to the back of your head. No, listen, I don't have hair that goes all the way up my back. I don't. Like, I have hair on my neck right here, but I don't have hair that, like, goes all the way up my back or anything. Hey, Clay, you should do a live video outside of your wagon. Dangerous, man. Dangerous. If the community saw me make a video on the internet, I'd get shunned for sure. 8 p.m. He's ready. 8 p.m. The dude is on lock, ready to go. Copy and paste with that message. Oh yeah, that's right, Brett. I don't know if you were here, but I looked it up. The average Rumspringa is 2 years, so we got till January 2023 for the squeeze. Darn it, man! January 2023. That's gonna take forever. Clay, bro, tell me when. Tell me we will get there. Not having the best day, Christopher. We'll get there, man. We'll get there. Facts, dude. Facts. The shorts will cover at some point. The only thing I can't guarantee you is how high the squeeze price is going to go. But I can tell you the shorts are going to cover if AMC doesn't go bankrupt. And I don't think that AMC is going bankrupt. The real simple, what if someone went on Rumspringa and killed it in the stock market, converted it all to wood tokens, or hey, whatever they have there, and like the 18th century king for life? Shoot, man. You just bought all the livestock in the land. You owned the entire the entire farmland. You were just destroying it. You had 1 million cows. You would literally be living in an Amish paradise. At least I would think so. With a market crash, bring the squeeze. What do you guys think? Ken, I don't think that it will bring the squeeze. I personally don't. I think that there's so many people in AMC that are traditional investors or regular investors like day traders and momentum players that if the market crashes and AMC crashes along with it, that they'll be getting out. I don't think it's going to trigger a squeeze just because the market pulls back. I use my girlfriend's in there on my NAS. Burns if you leave it on more than 5 minutes. Moral of the story is then, a player and playmaker, do not leave it on for more than 5 minutes. Cool, bro. Needed that. Hey, that wasn't much, Christopher, but It's the truth, man. It's the truth. I don't think you should be worried. Brett, you could buy your mom the best clothesline ever. Hire the neighbor's kid. Ma, we don't need to churn that butter anymore. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. Get your mom one of those retractable clotheslines, dude. The one you can move around on a pulley system so that she doesn't even have to go outside and get the clothes off the hanger anymore. Because if you got this will make you stronger. Absolutely. You hold this, it'll make you stronger, man. We're here for a reason. Remember that reason. Clear, bro. I'm driving right now. Can you give us a live AMC GameStop update, please? So, yeah, I don't have the numbers on GameStop, but currently AMC is sitting at $36.76 per share. It closed at $36.99 per share. It was down about 5.88% on the day. Currently down after hours, about 0.62% on the day. If we remember the Ortex update from earlier, short interest was relatively unchanged. It was like 0.01 or 0.05% change, and it was sitting at about 106 million short shares outstanding, 1.5% average cost to borrow, and roughly 88% utilization rate. So that is the AMC update. I do not have the GameStop numbers. Solid gold bonnets for all of the ladies. Dude, that would be heavy. Solid gold bonnet. Shoot, man. No texting and driving, JT. Yeah, JT Wisco. Be safe, man. It's all right, though. It's probably a traffic light. Brett, you can get season tickets for you and the folks to see all the live theater at FUB performances. Season tickets, man. I see you get season tickets for all the live theater performances. Yes, you could, man. Yes, you could. Sounds like something you're interested in. I say you get started. Clay, can you pray for my mom? She'll be having a catheter implanted in one of her arteries in 2 hours. You mean like a stent? I don't think you get catheters in your arteries, right? I don't know. It's probably like a stent. Absolutely, though. Ivan, for sure, man. Any surgery is important. So we should definitely be concerned about that. There's no such thing as an easy surgery. What are your thoughts in registering your AMC shares? Red 8. I don't think anybody is going to uncover synthetics based on registered shares, man. So if that's the goal of it or the concern, I wouldn't be terribly worried about doing that. Clay and the Apes, aloha, guys. Until we meet again, Clay, shout out for all the conservative Hawaiians in the dark blue state leagues. Shout out to you, Matthew McConaughey, man. Hopefully you're going strong over there. I like it. And enjoy the rest of your day, because we're not going to be here too much longer. Thanks for hanging out with us. Aloha kako to you, and mahalo hall for being here. The Amish are putting the broad in Broadway. Yes, they are, Brett. You're putting the broad in Broadway, guys. I'm telling you. That live theater, it's a good thing. Every time I am watching you live, I receive calls. I hate it because the video gets behind. Very interesting. What do you have to do? Go out and come back in? Funny you said something you are interested in. Yes. Playmaker pays attention. Rated each performance 3 thumbs up. Nice, Sam. Nice. Night all. Have a good night, JB. You guys already know what time it is, man. It's already time to get your names in the chat and all that good stuff for a shout out. But we get 2 minutes left. We got 2 minutes left in the day. And hey, Sam, you don't have to worry about that Spider-Man meme anymore because we get the real Brett Texas in here. It's not even a synthetic one. The holidays will be sweet if they squeeze soon. Oh my gosh, 1, 2, 5, 6, 84, 88. The holidays are going to be amazing if it squeezes soon. People are going to be balling outrageous. Clay, I'm out as well. Got to take care of something. Have a wonderful day to all you beautiful apes. Guys, I am out as well. It's 5 o'clock. So let's get the names out of the chat right now. Let's get these shout-outs going. All that good stuff. Everybody's leaving. It's 5 o'clock. I might as well leave as well. 8 o'clock p.m. 3 hours from now. Okay? 8 p.m. Eastern time. The video will drop. JB is probably the running champion at this point. JB, SD, and Nick F are gunning for top position, but I believe JB is the winner. So see if you guys can beat him. See if you can watch and like and leave a comment on the video first tonight. You got 3 hours till it's released. Hopefully all of you guys have a good day. The real Lauren is back. Hey, Clay only just finished work. Lauren, thank you very much for stopping back by. You know we're leaving, and hopefully you had a very wonderful day today. But as we get these shout-outs going, Lauren, thanks. Lauren, thank you for coming back. I like it. In your upside-down house. Lauren's got an upside down house, guys. Antics, man. Shout out to Antics, Frank, Lauren, the real Sam B, Playmaker, 1111, Mr. Simon, Crypto Rocketeer, boom, dabbing on us like always. Brett, Texas, see you later. Thank you so much, Brett, for coming back and hanging out with us, man. You have no idea what it's like. You are a staple in here. Please stay with us. And I did not see what Antics said, AMC Trapper, but it must have been pretty good. Marquise, Lauren, Real Sam B, Antics, AMC Trapper, Real Sam, Lisa, bye to you as well. Now you guys know what time it is. So, Brie Marie, thank you. Today it was a tough one. Later to you, DD214, it was a red day, but guess what? Red days lead to better days. So, if you guys want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.